slick and they ain't saying nothing. 100 of y'all suckers can't tell me nothing. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap. I bees in the trap, bees in the trap.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vivalapinkposh. As you guys can see, I am now in pink theme, and I'm super excited to show you this look that I created today. It was super easy, super simple. It was a easy halo eye that I recorded for you guys, and of course this is going to be a voiceover because you guys know that Penny is like in the background running around yelling and screaming, and I don't want you guys to hear all that, so I like to do voiceovers. So yeah guys, if you guys are interested in this video, just keep on watching. Also, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed, guys. It's absolutely free and it supports me. Okay guys, so we're just going to get right into this tutorial. The first thing I'm going to start by doing is placing down my concealer as a eyeshadow base. Today's concealer is from Doll 10 Beauty on Instagram. Of course, the information will be below in the description. I'm using the shade Tan. And if you guys hear like birds, that's because I'm sitting outside doing this voiceover. It's peaceful out here. So I'm just going to place down this concealer, and I'm going to be patting it into my eye, not blending it, so not using swiping motions, but patting that down. So for today's look, we're using the Morphe 35B palette, and I'm going to take this hot pink shade, and this is going to be our base color. So I'm basically just going to keep placing this color down and building it up, and this is a halo eye, so I'm going to be placing that shade in the beginning and at the end of my eye, and also making sure that I'm seamlessly blending it out. So I'm going to go in with this berry shade from the same 35B palette, and I'm going to be placing this shade in the beginning and also at the end of my eyelid, skipping the middle. And this is how we're going to be creating the halo eye. Everyone has like different ways of doing a halo eye. This is the way that I find works best for me, instead of basically cutting the entire crease. So then I'm just going to go in with a blending brush and blend out the edges, and then go in with that same concealer and basically conceal only the middle of my eyelid, just like a small part. And when you're doing this, you definitely want to make sure you're going above your natural crease, so that when you do close your eye, it doesn't crease your shadow. So then I'm just going to take that same berry shade, and I'm going to be fading that into the concealer to make it kind of transition into each other, because we don't want it to be like a harsh, perfect line. So then I'm just going to do the same on the other side, the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm going to go in with the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Princess Cut Highlighter, and I'm actually going to be using this as a eyeshadow. So I'm just going to place that on top of that concealer, setting the concealer and giving my eyelid a shimmer, but only in the middle. Then I'm just going to take that same dark berry shade, and I'm going to be fading that into the Princess Cut Highlighter. So I'm going to go in with this shimmer. It's actually a lip topper from Model's Own Cosmetics, and I'm just going to be placing that on top of the Princess Cut to give my eyelid a extra shimmer. They do have shadows like this, but I could not find a pink. So then I'm going to go in with the Balm Cosmetics Scuba liquid eyeliner, and I'm just going to be drawing a simple black cat eye, nothing too dramatic. So I'm going to go in with this Suva's Beauty Hydroliner, and this is in the shade Freezie. This is actually a new shade. I'm not sure if it came out yet, but you guys can just check their site. I'll have the details in the description. So then I'm going to go in with the Balm Cosmetics Scuba Mascara, and I'm just going to apply that as I usually would. These lashes are from the Beat Lash Co, and I'm going to have, of course, the information in the description. The style of these lashes are Star, and they do carry this lash applicator if you guys are interested. So I'm just going to move into my face, and for primer I'm using Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm just going to place that basically in my T-zone, and I'm going to blend that into my skin. So for foundation, I'm using Maybelline SuperStay foundation. Like lately I've been loving the shade. It's so full coverage and I like how it's very matte. Then I'm going to go in with that same concealer from Doll 10 in the shade Tan, and I'm going to be basically concealing out my face as I normally would. And then I like to go in with a flat brush to basically spread out the concealer. I feel like the concealer goes a long way when you spread it out with a brush first. Then I'm going to go in with a beauty blender and just blend that into my skin seamlessly. So you guys know I've been loving the Huda Beauty baking powder. I believe this is the shade Sugar Cookie. And I'm just, no, it's Sugar Cookie or Blondie? I think it's Blondie. So for bronzer, I'm using the Balm Cosmetics Take Home the Bronze bronzer. This one is Balm. And I'm just going to basically scope out my face. Snatch that nose. You guys already know the deal. Then for blush, I'm using ABH's blush palette, and I'm just gonna blush my apple cheeks. So for setting spray, I'm using Pixie Beauty setting spray. I absolutely love this setting spray. It works very good for me. And of course for highlighter, we're using Jeffree Star's Princess Cut, and I'm just gonna highlight the hell out of my face. You guys know I've been going freaking ham with highlighter, so I'm just gonna do that. Go ham. As you guys can see, this highlighter is freaking bomb. It like pops like crazy, so I'm just gonna throw it all over my face. And then you guys know, like, once I finish my full face, I go in with my under eye. I don't know why I do this, but that's just how I do it. So I'm basically gonna do the same thing that I did to the top of my eye, but I'm gonna do that on the bottom. And don't forget to add the shimmer in the middle. So for lipstick, I'm using Jeffree Star's Cosmetics Diva lipstick. I got this from the mini rainbow kit for Pride Month. So I'm just going to apply this like I would normally apply, nothing fancy. And then I'm just going to add a little bit of black dots on my nose and all over my face. I've been loving these dots. And that's not it. I'm going to add some lip topper. I thought I was done, but I am now. So this completes the look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, everyone have a blessed day. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. Bye.
Bye.